Welcome to this quick guide on how to create a Gmail account, updated for the latest features and security measures. Whether you're setting up a new email for personal use or for work, Gmail remains one of the most popular and reliable options available. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. You can find it in the App Store if you haven't downloaded it yet. Once you're in the app, tap on Create Account and select For Myself. This will take you through the process of setting up a personal Gmail account. Next, you'll be asked to enter some basic information. Start by typing in your first name and last name. Then, enter your birth date and select your gender. Tap Next once you've filled in these details. Now it's time to choose your username. This will be the unique part of your email address that comes before the @gmail.com. If the username you want is already taken, try adding some numbers or using a different combination of letters. Once you've found a username that works, tap Next. After that, you'll need to create a password. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password by typing it in again. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure. The next step involves adding your phone number. This is important for verifying your account and recovering your password if you ever forget it. Tap Next after entering your number. You'll then receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to confirm your phone number. You might also be given the option to add a recovery email address. This is optional, but recommended in case you need to reset your password in the future. Tap Next once you've decided whether or not to add one. Finally, review and agree to Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. This is the last step in setting up your account. Once you've agreed, you'll be all set to start using your new Gmail account. Creating a Gmail account is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. With these steps, you'll have a secure and reliable email address ready to use for all your online needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.